Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Tan and this is Tanmade. If you're looking for affordable and easy DIYs, you've come to the right place. Here I have a grapevine wreath that I got from Joann's, and just in case you guys didn't know, Joann's is going out of business, so I did get this for a discounted price. And the leaves that you see me using, I got those from Dollar Tree. I'm going to hot glue my leaves onto the grapevine wreath, and I just kind of position them in the circular pattern like the wreath. And I also have these white florals that also comes from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue those down. If this is your first time here at Tanmade, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And to all my current subscribers, you're always welcome, and thank you. So I'm continuing to just glue down all the florals. Also, I would like to say that I would love to have you all subscribe to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button or hit the picture, my picture. Here I have this cross that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And then I always use my famous brown stain, which is a brown shoe polish that I purchased from Dollar General. And I'm going to stain the whole cross, the front, back, and sides. And I believe I did put a little hot glue in the hole where the hanger was for the cross. And that was just to fill that hole, and I did just stain over it. I'm going to hot glue this cross down to the wreath. I had to hold it there for a little bit till it set up. And then I have this purple cloth that I'm going to cut a strip of, and we're going to dress the cross with that purple material. When you're doing small pieces like this with the hot glue, I just want to say it's wise to wear your finger protectors. I know I'm not practicing what I'm preaching, but I just want to let you guys know that. And you'll see at the end here, I did cut my material down just a little bit more just to get rid of those jagged edges. So here I'm just making a hanger. So I just took some wired twine, and we're just gonna hot glue that on there. And then I took a little piece of burlap ribbon to just give it a little more sturdiness. I always have a problem with saying burlap, so forgive me. And here is the finished product. Please let me know down in the comments what are your thoughts on this grapevine cross wreath. I would appreciate it. And as you can see, I did add a bow. Now in DIY number 2, we're going to continue with more of a religious
All right, guys.
DIY.
This next video, I
lost some footage, and I just wanted you to know that I got everything from the Dollar Tree for this. So this is it partially completed. I got this wood piece from Dollar Tree, like I just said, and these are craft sticks or popsicle sticks, and I just cut them down to make crosses. I put those little notches in, so you can do that or not. And then I took twine and then just wrapped it around several times, okay? And then I stained it. I used, if you've been following my channel for a while, I like using brown shoe polish for my stain most of the time, unless I'm doing a specific color stain. So I just stained the block, made my crosses, and I hot glued them to the back here. And I'm just gonna burn the, you know, the little stitch in there just to get the fray off. And if you decide to do this, please be careful with the fire. And you can be careful around your glue so that you know, it doesn't melt and go and start spreading. So that's what we're going to do with that. Okay, and then I'm just going to put some floral moss on here. And I'm going to use hot glue to do that. As y'all know, with floral moss, it just makes a mess. I'm going to try to do it as neat as I can. I don't need it very thick. Here I have some floral picks, the purple ones and the white ones. Those are the ones I chose for this project. You can choose whatever color you like. And I'm just going to hot glue those down on top of the floral moss. And I also took the green leaves and I'm going to hot glue those down first. And then the flowers. And then I cut out, excuse me, this sign on my Cricut machine. So we're gonna fit that on here. If you don't have a Cricut machine, you can certainly buy stick-on letters from the Dollar Tree. If the letters don't come off with it, then you just need to just kind of rub it again, and that usually will take care of it. I do have a scraper too. I just sat it down a little further away from me than I like to at this moment. So I'm just going to rub it down with my fingernail. and get these letters, get this transfer paper off. Just try to center it here. I know guys, I should have put this on first. Ooh, I hope this doesn't mess it up, but let's try to work it out. I'm eyeballing it. And I got this scraper craft tool from Dollar Tree. So, you know, there is a Cricut name brand one, but I did get this one from Dollar Tree. Same thing, if your letters don't come off, then you can just, you know, lay it back down and scrape it off. Again, I should have put this on before I put the moss on. Learn as you go. You have to be careful, because when you have like the letter's eyes or a letter that's got separation, well, you can lose your little dots easily, so you have to be careful of that. Maybe I should have did it in lavender or white. I'm not sure how that's showing up right this minute. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm gonna call this project I think both projects turned out very nice, but I would love it if you let me know down in the comments what you think of the projects. Did you like them? Did you have a favorite? And also, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. That really helps my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.